Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How one can use different kind of editing tools in Canva using a custom design. For example, if you log in into your Canva account and go to all templates, and here I want to design a custom YouTube thumbnail, click on it. Custom YouTube thumbnail will be open, different kinds, and create a blank YouTube thumbnail. This is a YouTube thumbnail that you can design yourself by choosing its items. First of all, here is the elements and uploads we have already used. Here is text, different kinds of text available in Canva, and you can use these text. For example, I want to drag this text here, and you can make changes, different kind of changes. For example, if you click on effects, and here different kinds of styles are available, then you click on this, then you click on shadow. You can increase and decrease its direction, transparency, everything is available. When you select this and click on it, its intensity can be increased and decreased. In the same way, different kinds of colors are also available. You can change its color. Click on color, change it, its color will be changed. You can make it bold, italic, what kind of effects you want, you can do that. You can change its font size from here. Click on it, its font size will be changed. Here are spacing, line spacing, letter spacing. Click on it, letter spacing will be changed. When you click on it, its line spacing will be changed. If you have another text, the spacing, like if you click on it and enter, now you can change its line spacing. Click on it, you can see that its spacing will be changed. So here is alignment. You can change its alignment by clicking here. You can increase or decrease its font size. If you click on plus, its font size will increase. When you click on minus, its font size will be decreased. In effects, you can have different kinds of styles. For example, if you click on curve, this will be placed in the shape of a curve. When you click on this, it will be placed like this, and you can increase and decrease its intensity and everything. Go to animation, and here you can animate your text. For example, different kinds of animations are available, and you can speed up, speed increase, and you can decrease also the speed. Different kinds of animations are available here. Here you click on rise. Here are different kinds of animations. You can use these animations to create your own text. Tectonic, these are the texts, different kind of text that you can place here and make changes like this. This is once again another text. You can change its color by clicking. You can change its size, everything. Click on three dots. Here you can underline the text. You can capital letters or small letters. Position, you can assign your text in the center. You can place it, your text at the top. Different kinds of text directions are available. Here you can also click on transparency. and increase or decrease its transparency. You can also place this text in the background, like decreasing its transparency. Now this is in the background, so it's very important feature. Here is the link. You can create a link for this text, for example techwheels.com. Link edit. When you click on it, the link will be opened. When you click on that link, the link will be opened. You can add the second page by clicking here. You can delete something. You can duplicate page. Only allow replacing content. So these are different features available, and you can use these features when you have completed your work. When you have completed your work, you can use those things easily. You can add audios available here, different kinds of audios available to use in your videos, projects. Here are different kinds of projects you have done already. These will be present here. Click on elements. Different kinds of elements are available. You can use different kinds of elements like this to be used in your project. These are different kinds of elements available here. You can use those elements according to your requirements. And many more things are available here. So these are the different kinds of editing tools. You can animate your text that we have already discussed. And if your design is final, you can share it and download it. Click on download, it will be downloaded. So this is a very important feature, very important tools that you can use for your creation of custom size thumbnails, custom size letterheads, and different kind of things. Thank you so much for watching this video.